Military vocabulary words in English. The military is used to describe anything related to the armed force or soldier. Army is the most important part of any country. Military supplies, which include vehicles, ships, weapons, bases, map, backpack, walkie-talkies, etc. Watch this video. I will teach you the military supplies in English with pictures. It's called tank. It's called bullets. It's called walkie-talkie. It's called pistol. It's called army truck. It's called military case. It's called soldier. It's called army jet. It's called binoculars. It's called gun. It's called cannon. It's called map. It's called first aid kit. It's called knife. It's called tactical operator cap. It's called military jeep. It's called time bomb. It's called compass. It's called troops. It's called Swiss Army knife. It's called catapult. It's called army helicopter. It's called backpack. It's called base. It's called target. It's called sword. It's called rifle. It's called medal. It's called star. It's called gas mask. It's called helmet. It's called attack. It's called salute. It's called shield. It's called grenade. It's called boots. It's called vest. It's called army uniform. It's called canteen. It's called telescope. It's called sunglasses. It's called fighter jet. It's called flashlight. It's called chopper. It's called computer. It's called missile. It's called battle. It's called battleship. It's called explosion. It's called combat logo. It's called siren. It's called cannonball. It's called howitzer. It's called spear. It's called armored car. It's called bar.